Experiences shape us as individuals, and once we obtain them, they never leave us, as they give us a massive value. A lot of times, we value material stuff over experiences and memories. We are tempted to buy new things, latest handbags, new phone, and any other shiny things, or gadgets every day. However, these items are not the most important things in our lives. I am Janika. I speak about traveling and positivity into life. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page, and welcome to join this community. Life is short and every moment is a gift with experiences. This Black Friday, Cyber Monday and Christmas season, buy what you really need, instead of clutters that doesn't add value to our lives. Ask a question before you buy the item. Does this add value in my life? Do I have a place to store it? If the item is not a need, you're not saving money during the good sale. As we are tempted with adverts and sales to buy the new item, if we don't need it and not buying it altogether, we would even save more money. It is hard to buy happiness with a new item, assuming this will bring you happiness, but instead, this has an opposite effect. Seek experiences which tell stories that last forever. How much of you remember that gift from a loved one of a new phone that after some months slows down? What happiness does it bring you now, after some years? If it's hidden, broken, or not in use. This season of gifts and sales, if you are thinking of buying an item as a gift to your loved one, think twice. Does this person really need this item? There are also gift experiences that can be bought, which add more value and make you a better person. Experiences can range from dinners, concerts, sports, and travel involvement. As we are giving these presents to our loved ones, we are creating memories and stories that last a lifetime. Not just an item that is awesome until it lasts. Give stories and experience them, not stuff. This sale season, turn off the temptation to buy a new item because it is on sale. This is Janika talking to you about positivity in life and traveling. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you find value in this video, be sure to share it with your friends and family. If you want to experience a trip, just send me a message in my inbox and I'll sort it out for you. Comment below so I know you were here, and let me know what gifts are you giving this season. Live life based on experiences rather than worldly possession. Thanks for hanging out. Ciao ciao. See you next week.